doesn't love that sweet sound of passive income rolling in? Imagine a world where you recommend, they click, they buy, and boom! You earn. Well, that's the beauty of affiliate marketing, my friends. But hold on a sec. Just having an affiliate link isn't the golden ticket. Before you sail off onto the sunset with these bags of cash, you've got to promote that link. But how? Well, stick around and I'll unveil 7 reliable methods for promoting your affiliate links. Number 1, make sure you embed your affiliate link into your blog posts. But this isn't just about randomly scattering them. It's about creating valuable and fresh content, which is, the most importantly, relevant. Think of product reviews, comparisons, recommendations, or even roundups. It's crucial to keep your blog content honest and objective. Remember, you have worked to build trust with your readers, who trust your recommendations. You don't want to lose that trust by promoting products you don't believe in. Alright, moving on to number 2, including affiliate links in emails and newsletters. If you follow our channel, you probably know everything about email marketing and all the benefits that come with it. And if you don't, what you doing? Subscribe now! Including affiliate links in your emails and newsletters is another effective way to promote your offers. This could be an email promoting a specific product, an educational piece of content with an affiliate link, or even a full roundup of the best deals around. And if you're new to the email biz and not sure how to start building your affiliate lists, make sure to check out this video. Now, on to the third way of promoting affiliate links. Use paid advertising. Sometimes you gotta spend money to make money, right? While organic reach is all the rage, there's nothing like well-targeted ad campaign to put your affiliate links front and center. The obvious downside is you'll be spending money to capture the leads. So, first of all, make sure it works for you. Next up, a bit of meta magic. Add affiliate links into your video descriptions. YouTube isn't just for cat videos. Yeah, no, shocking. Video marketing has become increasingly popular in recent years, so it would be a huge waste not to use it for promoting your affiliate links. So, create the YouTube videos dedicated to the product you're promoting with affiliate link in the top of the description. The other option is to create an educational piece and then mention a relevant affiliate product within your video. Alright, number 5 on our list is promote your links on podcast or a webinar. They're not just about chit-chat and slideshows. It's your golden ticket to your affiliate marketing stardom. Got a podcast about, say, personal finance? Well, here's an idea. Describe your favorite tool you use and insert the affiliate link. For webinars, you can promote affiliate links in the chat window or during presentation, as most of the platforms allow you to display buttons and links. The best part about promoting your affiliate links during the webinars is that The best part about promoting affiliate links during the webinar is that they don't just get clicks when the webinar is live. You can record it, save, and share with audience later to get more clicks. On to number 6. Share the affiliate links on social media. Now listen, 93% of online population uses social media. So why not turn those likes into ka-chings? Imagine this. You're a fitness guru, right? Whip up a killer post on that smoothie recipe on Facebook or Twitter, pop that affiliate link in the caption, and you're golden. And last, but also not the least, promote your affiliate site on forums. Platforms like Quora and Reddit aren't just places to kill time. They're potential gold mines brimming with curious minds. Thanks to their SEO power, a stellar answer on Quora could shoot to the top of search results, driving traffic your way. But heads up, some forums have no-fly zone for affiliate links. Always skim through the rules first. If direct linking is a no-go, play the long game. Share top-tier info, win trust, and then nudge folks to your site for those affiliate gems. And there you have it! 7 ways to promote your affiliate links. So, go ahead and start promoting your affiliate links like a pro. Create value, be genuine, and the rewards? They'll come chasing. And if you're looking for the best email marketing tools or top-notch affiliate programs, we'll be happy to be your guides. For that, be sure to check the description. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more affiliate marketing wisdom. Till next time!